From September 2023, changes will be made to what we have currently known as the Welsh Baccalaureate and is now called the Advanced Skills Baccalaureate. The Advanced Skills provide you with the unique opportunity to develop the 7 employability skills that employers and universities look for, whilst gaining an additional A-level that holds the equivalent UCAS points.
Welsh helped me in many ways. One of them being communication, because communication skills, they were poor before doing Welsh but after doing it, I'm able to just talk to people normally, which is really helpful in day-to-day life.
I really enjoyed the research aspect of building a business and the problem solving that we've had to take on when it comes to this.
In a globally evolving world, employers and universities look for learners that have both subject knowledge and the essential employability skills that individuals will need for the future. The Advanced BAC is delivered with your future in mind, allowing you to select your own topic so you can advance your skills in areas that are relevant and interesting to you.
So the reason Welsh Baccalaureate plays such an important role is because it exercises those skills that they won't be having in their core subjects. So getting them confident public speaking, getting them confident coming up with ideas, and ultimately being creative and solving world problems.
All learners studying A-levels or an extended diploma can benefit from the new Advanced Skills Baccalaureate alongside their studies. Develop and gain these invaluable employability skills when you study the Advanced Skills Baccalaureate at Coleg Gwent.